We are looking at how to pronounce this acronym, what it means, and how to say it as an acronym as well. We're going to be looking at how to say more of confusing vocabulary, loads of videos to learn, loads of fascinating things on this channel. Stay tuned. So that's the organization of the petroleum exporting countries. And how do you say the acronym? So it's not OPEC, I mean that's how you spell it, OPEC, but it's pronounced OPEC. So two syllables, quite simply. First syllable is O, OPEC. A stress on the first syllable. Easy. Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there, and thanks for watching.